Chapter 14, Sloka 2. Idang jnanamupashritya, idang jnanamupashritya, idang jnanamupashritya, mama sadharmyamagataha, mama sadharmyamagataha, mama sadharmyamagataha, idang jnanamupashritya, mama sadharmyamagataha, idang jnanamupashritya mama sadharmyamagataha idang jnanamupashritya mama sadharmyamagataha idang jnanamupashritya mama sadharmyamagataha idang jnanamupashritya mama sadharmyamagataha सर्गे पिनोपजायन्ते सर्गे पिनोपजायन्ते सर्गे पिनोपजायन्ते प्रलये न व्यतन्ति च प्रलये न व्यतन्ति च प्रलये न व्यतन्ति च सर्गे पिनोपजायन्ते 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 प्रलये न व्यतन्ति च इदं ज्ञानमुपाश्रित्य मम साधर्म्यमागताः सर्गे पिनोपजायन्ते प्रलये न व्यतन्ति च.
Please like and share this video because you could be instrumental in helping someone around the world recite the Srimad Bhagavad Gita, thereby helping them to have a life of unending opulence, victory and prosperity. This is mentioned in chapter 18, sloka 78. Yes, don't forget to buy my book, Leadership Can Be Child's Play. Namaste.